What's the difference between the NFIP/FEMA program and the private market, and which is better? For those folks that are in a high probability flood zone, they probably know about it because their lender requires them to have flood insurance. And typically what they hear is that they can only get their flood insurance through FEMA or NFIP, which is the National Flood Insurance Program. Typically what we find is that those policies can be very, very expensive. The misnomer out there is that there isn't any other option. Well, there are. One of the other options that we have access to is private market flood insurance that typically offers better coverage at a much reduced price, but equally, again, as important is that the policies are written more favorably for the insured than the FEMA policies are. We're finding not a lot of people are aware of this. We're one of the few agents in this area that we know of that has access to this, and certainly we like helping people with it. This can apply to any business or home that is along a floodplain starting with A or V. Typically we do find them around the Fox River, Des Plaines River, Lake Michigan, DuPage River as well. Wherever your area is, if you're in the U.S., we can probably help. This is a program that we have available to us nationally. So for more information, contact me, 847-996-1381 or wmschwartz.com.